welcome back. We have a great and easy recipe for you today. It's slow cooker Texas chili. We're utilizing brisket and herbies Mexican spices. Let's get started. First, I'm going to be seasoning the meat with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to toss it really good. I'm using brisket today, but you can use top round, any kind of stew meat. Make sure every little piece gets seasoned. All right, we're all seasoned. Let's get the flame going and start browning our meat. So the key to doing this is just being patient and not constantly turning the meat. You want to get a nice crust on each side, so just be patient, let them do their thing, and when you see there's a nice crust on it, then go ahead and flip it. If you don't have a big enough pot, it's okay to do this in batches. All right, we have our meat almost done. It's beautifully golden brown. With the same pot, I'm gonna deglaze it with onions and garlic and get all those really nice tasty bits off the bottom of the pot. And then we'll go with the spices and the tomatoes and everything else, and I'll show you that. So I usually turn down the heat down to low on this part. The key here is just kind of slowly doing the onions and garlic so it picks up all those really nice tasty bits off the bottom of the pan. Smells so good. The onions have deglazed really nicely. They pulled all the bits off the pan. Now I'm going to go with the Herbies Special Mexican Spice Blend and some brown sugar and do this about 5 minutes. All right, so I have my brown sugar and my Mexican spices. I'm gonna cook it for about 4 minutes until those spices really get vibrant and real aromatic. I'm gonna get my meat that I seared off. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in a slow cooker now. And now I'm gonna go with green chilies, my fire roasted tomatoes, and my beef stock. Wow, this is really starting to look good. I'm gonna bring this mixture up to a boil, and then I'm gonna pour this over my meat in the slow cooker and then get that going. Smells so good. Chili's almost done. It's been on for a couple of hours. It looks dark, it looks rich, super yummy. Here I have maseca. You can find this in any grocery store. Very simple. It's 2 cups of instant corn masa to 1.5 cups of water. 2 cups masa, 1.5 cup water, wooden spoon. So we're just gonna get this into a dough ball. I usually just get it really good with a wooden spoon and then I go in with my hands. Here, a bit more water. That looks like that. And then what I like to do is split this up in 4 different balls. Always keep plastic over it so they don't dry out. Just like that. Very simple. Now behind me, I'm gonna get a nice skillet on just a little bit. As the pan's getting up to temp, I'm gonna start flattening out these balls and making sopes. So it's been about 2 minutes on low heat with a little bit of our Williamson extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna flip these. Oh, beautiful. Great, they've been cooking for 2 minutes on each side, beautifully golden brown, a little bit crispy. I'm gonna take them out, put them right here. Smell wonderful. So now what I do is I'll pinch up the sides. All right, our sopes are beautifully done. Our Texas chili is ready to go. Let's start plating some sopes. Yummy. I'm topping the sopes with cotija cheese. Next, we're going to do some Easter egg radishes. Next up, some green onions.